Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doki Doki Literature Club on your Android device. Many fans want to enjoy this unique visual novel on the go, and while there isn't an official mobile version, a reliable method exists. We will use a special application called JoyPlay, along with its essential RenPy plugin, to run the game. This approach ensures you can experience the full, unaltered story directly on your phone or tablet, offering a portable horror experience. To begin, you will need 3 key components. Start by downloading the Doki Doki Literature Club PC version. It is a free download from the official website. Then, head to the JoyPlay website or the Play Store to download the JoyPlay application itself. Crucially, also download the RenPy plugin for JoyPlay from the same location. These 2 applications work together to enable the game to run on your Android device, so make sure you have both. Once your downloads are complete, install both the JoyPlay application and the RenPy plugin. After installation, use a file manager like Z-Archiver to extract the Doki Doki Literature Club game files from their compressed archive. Now, open JoyPlay. You will see a plus icon, which you should tap to add a new game. Browse to the folder where you extracted the game files and select the DLDLC. EXE executable. This action registers the game within JoyPlay. With the game successfully added to JoyPlay, you are ready to play. Simply tap on the Doki Doki Literature Club entry within your JoyPlay library to launch it. The initial loading time might be around 1 to 2 minutes, especially if your phone has at least 1 GB of RAM. Once loaded, you can fully immerse yourself in the unique and memorable story of Doki Doki Literature Club, now conveniently playable on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.